To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
I really appreciate everything what you do for me, Like, literally. I appreciate everything what you do for me. Listen what I say. Listen, this is not the right time for me to show you up to nobody. Like, I just not the right time. It better when nobody know about me and you. Like, you know, see how we are going good for other day. We are going so good. The moment people know about me and you, things are going to go west. Listen, I'm me and you in this together. Not you and my people them. Not me and your people them. Just me and you. Nobody enough knows so we are talk. Alright, here what be. May go talk at a later time. Cause right now I just reach home and I'm hungry. Yeah. Me talk to you. B, just stop your foolishness now. Later. So, this is what I say, B. Just understand what I say. Here, well. I soon call you back. Here? I never know say you're there. Nothing happen. I want to remain a look about. Because I'm hungry, Look about two of them man and share for me. But wait. I'm hungry. I didn't get something to eat.
So what was the road today?
The road did alright, Just I'm gonna deal with some little business and all. But this man even me left never in the island, girl. And I understand, I always tell you not learn. You hear, you have to do first. You know, see me do my ear.
My hair do. Natural beauty is the best.
If I did natural beauty, you say you ought to do lash.
Well, you know, me just screw up on
TikTok and I see girl them a do their lashes. I'm just, me just, it does look nice. Somebody feel excited. So I just did have one look at $3,000. I'm just, when me leave work, I just go do it and then come home. Yeah, but it feel nice and it look nice. I like it. Well, one next time I can do my ear. Sometimes I have to change up, you know, look at things.
Mama knows how things work. But I always teach you. You do your ear first. You get your ear done, then you do your lash and your eyebrow. Wow, what the lash I go carry off? Natural hair? Come on, girl, do better than that.
Well, me not see nothing wrong with it. Because I see girl them beat natural hair and lash like a hit a wear. Not all the time you can get up and do your ear. Sometimes you wear natural. Remember, say you have cream hair now, me have natural hair, so it go with anything.
Alright.
So you say you want one ramen?
Yeah.
Look like a phone ring.
Me, it's a vibrate.
I hold that.
It's alright, hold on. Hello? But tell us something I got call you back, right? Listen, I don't like your style sometimes. God no. Fred, I don't like your style. Like from morning. About 9 o'clock this morning, me and you talk, right? I'm going to tell him I soon call you back. So if I get the chance, I'm going to call you back. I don't know what's wrong with you. Yeah. You deposited money already? So you're gonna hear from me, you can't deposit the money. You have my account number already. Listen, I soon call you back. I can't talk to you right now. Marika, you alright?
Yeah. I put on the counter.
Marika, what's wrong with you?
Yes, I thought the pot full of water.
Girl, I'm telling you something hungry. I think you put on this something already.
No, I packed them here trying to sleep.
Anyways, take your time. I'm gonna lie down because my head don't feel, I don't know if I gas, but my head don't feel good. So I'm gonna lie down here. So just carry me finish. Or just call me. Here?
Alright. Oh, who that? Tia? You expect somebody?
I'm not expecting nobody.
So who?
Yeah.
You say you not expect nobody.
Baby.
How that? Open the door now. You left him and turn out there hanging. So what happened? You hide him now, your man.
Yeah. Hide.
Then I what? So open the door for him.
What go on? Here, what me a do here? Here. Then you me have to come look for you. Go on and examine me have to come look for you. And I'm come look for you.
I don't like your style, you know. I never invite you here, you know.
Yeah, then me I call the phone and you not answer. What you expect? I have to come look for you.
Listen, you can't come
So
in like that. So I know me alone there. Just listen.
Here, you talk, listen, I know you alone there. I'm not business with one there. You me come look for me, not come look for the rest of people in there. Yo, forward and stop, Musa. What going on, mama? Alright. So yeah, Musa, you look so. Oh,
I don't like your style.
my style. I want to my style.
But can't call the phone and get me a must worry, you know.
Then wait, them I call you for a whole long. And I can't get here, you tell me say I can't pull up. What a good thing know where you live. And when I'm a nigga, I see you out on the road front, you know, and him tell me say, yo, ask him for you, and him tell me say, you know, too long past gone down. You know, and I say, I have to forward up here too. Remember saying I pay half of the rent and you go and like say, yo, mama, you know no water around there? Like not even your friend and a man as well, she can't answer me.
You know something I like your style? You need to change your ways.
Style, how wrong with my style? That's
Nothing
right.
about you,
I don't about me. How you know like, you want me pretend and go like somebody else?
Listen, every time I come here, I call you, you know. Me never pop up on you yet. Me not like this style, man.
You have to go, just put me on your agenda and know say you say you go pull up anytime, you know, like when me know say you're there, cause me realize say you know what answer me, and every time I call you, come like say you beg for you answer me, you know.
You know some is a busy girl.
I was so you I was so make you busy night, you busy day, you busy evening, you busy morning. I was so you know no time for yourself.
Enough for that, man. Anyway, just go on home and come check you later.
So I see you will want to run me.
It's not about running me. I come check you later. I'm plan that already, you know. That did the family agenda. To come link you, but you just pop up, come and beat down the door and look away there. They know from the friend, they know she not really like people. You understand
What you mean by that? Your friend are like people.
She kind of skeptic in a certain
No, you have to explain yourself to me. Remember, you know, man, me not too understand the shortcut business. You have to come straight with me. What you say? Oh, you know what I mean?
I want it. I can't want somebody where I pay half a million every month. Stop being so, man. Stop going so. Just stop going so, please.
So you say, can you give your friend one of my friend them, you know?
No, nobody with that. That not gonna work.
Why?
Your friend them, me not like for them style.
So what am to their style?
None of them not gonna match you.
Why? How you know that? How you know that? Wait there, you date man for she, or she go date her own man or no?
Your friend them, no disrespect across them. They're not gonna work. America good girl. No.
So you try to say my friend them a bad influence. That you try to tell me say.
All of them.
So me no stay so me a good decent young boy.
Yes, sir. You? Actually, me know how to manage you.
You manage me. Jaja.
Listen, me go come and check you later, so don't worry yourself. Sometimes you don't understand, you know. I'm busy more while. You understand? But me never too busy for you.
Alright. You know, the time I chat you know, cause I realize your friend there to answer me, you know, so nothing can go on still and still. So, check me, you know, cause me a wait for you. If you don't check me, anyway, then you'll find out.
Me I come check you, man, cause more want the things to go on.
Alright, then look more. There we chat.
Alright.
Yo, Moa. I can't tell my friend them come give look more, you know.
Excuse me? Where's the offer?
No, me not take me just you know what, look more. Cause I realize say
But me not Tia. But then again, me nah no man. Wait there. Tia! Tell me something. A good man that because him all look for me in the kitchen and say him all sort out 2 man can give me. So 2 man here deal with one time.
Martin, I sometimes wonder what my life sometimes.
What you mean?
Like, literally. I don't know why I'm really even sometimes I wonder if things between you and you are for a screw or something.
Are you supposed to know that?
It's like, don't get me wrong, a good youth. When I say good youth, I mean good youth. Spend for a woman, because, alright, you know, say him pay half of the rent, right? Half of my part of rent, yes. So I tell you, say, he spend money for a woman, but I type of nigga, I feel like, say, he spend money for a woman if he walk it back out of me. So you give me the money, and so you want to work it.
What you mean working? Like, you have to go clean up your house and doing something there?
America, you're naive, you know?
What you mean by me naive?
All me a try bring you in the world. You know, look like you learn. I know you're not done. Walk it back out of me as in walkie.
What is
In other words, sex.
So we are the sex man for money?
It is not about sexing him for money, but you know, understand.
But me not say nothing wrong with that because I am man. So wrong with that.
Me not really take him serious like that. To say I'm a man.
What? So who you take serious then? So you just have to play with the man feelings. You know what I can do to you in Ireland? Then something then you have to do then something then. That's why you hear pan news say enough woman missing, are they in a suitcase, are they it can, are they in a river, whatever. And because they take man things and they not really love the man, they use the man. So you have to be careful. You're a young woman, go find work, you're not working, go and work. If you don't want the man work then simple. You finish now? Yes, you can.
Them the woman they will see for news. I true them not play them card right, so they get catch. Me love up the man them and make them feel like say everything alright. Me not left nothing behind. Me play me game, me card right. Simple.
I see a procedure. But sometimes a cat can turn over. You have a choppy cat and then one of them just flip out. That's how you can flip out. You can flip round. Things can happen. You have to be careful in the street. That the man that look like say no. If him find out say you play me no, him do your things, you know. And me no want nothing because listen, me no want no police come and ask me about no report about you because me no know you, me never see you before. This although me and your friend not here, me not gonna agree with them fooling in shine now. Because my mother never grew me up so me a good Christian girl and not because me not happy. Me go do things just because me want it. No, work hard for what you want. If we pay in the longer run, this not gonna pay. This I gonna send it to your early grave.
That's why I don't like reason with them. Come and say something else. Because sometimes I wish me have one lift to them because I reason on a different level. So if you mind level, you're not the funny.
No, you
so me are asking you.
Your friend with the pan look at dirty lifestyle with the pan, but me not the pan that the lifestyle.
Dirty lifestyle
Tia.
Is basically an exchange. Me I give you honey, you might give me money. What is wrong with that?
That wrong.
Okay. Remember my last man when you claimed to say you don't do it. Nah, give you nothing in America. So don't tell me how to live my life.
Sometimes one hand can clap, two hand have to clap.
Listen to me now. And I like more bring up your past, right? But me just show you an example. Yeah, listen to America?
Yeah,
listen to me. Remember your ex Trevor.
What about him?
When you go film yard, go sleep and go do, right? What happened? You come home the next morning, hungry like a dog, search on the place and look for something to eat. No money for pay the bills, nothing. You come back and tell me, say, Trevor, say, in light bill for pay, in rent for pay, in water bill for pay.
Stop this. You see friend like you, that's why I'm not keep friend like you, that's why I'm not tell friend like you my business. Because that's if me come in and keep me mouth, you would have this to say back to me. Let me tell you something. That's when time people are putting up on the right track and I correct you not like it. When you tell people about them own a business, you make them feel bad and look like a person. When time I own the bad person, you know, I'm not having a conversation with them because you're not a good friend. I can't believe you say kid. You think you can hear nothing from me again? You think you can know my business again? Never.
It's a girl that come like say, you don't understand what me a try to teach. I don't like the girl style, you know. Me a teach you the right. You can't go a man yard and come back and hungry. Nothing go so. You think love can pay bills? Yeah, she done the ramen or something, man. Come here, all hungry. Marika!
Yeah.
I want the ramen. Hurry up, look boy ramen. Come then away you boil out the ramen so long.
You know, some mama say I'm going from the bathroom door. I'm so far, man. How I rush?
No, rush, my brother.
They are going now, my brother. There's a bit up here, we back a week, so I'm here.
No, man, they want to bun good, dog.
No, what kind of rush you understand?
No, man, they want to be good, man. They don't bun good. It tastes bitter.
Oh.
One weed that me get from downtown. You know, down in that town, I like it taste like.
So where did that with?
Boy,
From when me not see you.
you know?
From when me not see you, I got call full style of me. Walk a man girl.
Yeah,
Girl, man, I want to charge you.
yeah.
And I tap fat and fall for mangoes.
Then wait there, where you at? Because it sound like say you want to say something to me, but you don't know how to say
What do you
it.
mean? Oh gosh, man.
Yeah.
Ask you a question, brother.
Man, you're mad, man. But you don't know how big I am and how old I am, so the thing you want to say, you say it to me.
Alright, sir.
You want to say, you say it.
Alright, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going differently there. Everything balance up.
Yeah, dog. Martin, I'm very fun now.
Now, ask something. You know about Fred?
Fred, William Fred.
Oh, you see pill them way I get? A Fred I pharmacist, man.
You just make sure say you don't get pill, you know. That son, you can tell and make sure say you don't get pill.
Remember, say we they give pill, you know, so we have to get pill sometime. But you see, man, like you now, well, believe and put your faith in them. You see, you find out your pill you get, you go hang yourself. So you have to check for you, you know.
Good, alright.
I'm saying I'm a dog.
Here, man.
Seriously, I know name Fred.
I don't think no name Fred.
I know Fred and the Flintstone me talk about you.
So you know name so.
But Fred,
You know name so.
but Fred around there Flintstone. You know me, I say?
So, you as my friend now know what I want and I saw you have it and I come play a game with me.
What kind of game will they play with you? But me ask you a question.
So ask me a question as my friend, as me I come
No,
from
but-
Fiction and make me know what I want understand, make me know what I want.
So
As a G.
you see this now, you dey talk about me that use mind game. When was the last time you see you? When last I call
You don't have my number.
Wait na man.
You don't have my number.
My last phone, my last
Last
iPhone
phone,
there.
my last
Watch na man.
phone.
You say me a G. When last I call give a G a link?
You don't know me live.
Watch
So
na.
wait, let me ask you
Oh,
one
watch
question.
na.
So no,
Watch
I
na.
think
Me ask something. Me ask you better question. What make you tap call link your G? Remember say you call link me every day now you tell what vibes you know. What make you tap link your G? Cause they pill them.
Which
You pill them whole your system. So watch you know. Watch you know. Me just a clutch back and I watch and I say I some that real me take him for main care on the man. Me I say Jaja you. That's why me ask you. And you come like you even believe in me. Come like you doubt me to you know you. Yeah there. Yeah there. Come like me shouldn't even tell you now.
No, I right thing I do want to know because right now only thing you have you're putting on my brain for grow and I got apps. Not even grow, not half of mama say my link me come on.
Listen to me now. Alright, wait.
You ask him
You see,
who name friend and he
one thing I said to me a while ago. One thing I said to me a while ago. So I know say no, I should tell you. You say you go and go ask. I know say I want more pillow go get man and forget about that man. So go on. Do you have to do my friend? Do you have to do my dog man? Go on man, oh gosh man. You're rough.
Fred. Yo, what the fuck? What you know? Let me make a phone call. So far.
Watch out man. Watch out man.
Hold this up. No, what the fuck? No, not with you.
Bitch man, bitch.
Yeah, my son, I see. We appreciate you come out in the night, but I'm going to really come out in the night and
I'm glad you know.
yeah, me know that man, I'm see. So, yeah, don't tell somebody you don't come here, yeah. And I'm going to say you live with a friend or something. I'm going to tell you, yo, make a friend, stay by yourself, and you get someone for yourself. Organize up certain things, man.
Alright, you not understanding now. You see Marika? Marika, right now she have to live with me.
What make?
Come here to guide her a certain way. You know understand? Like, she can't live by herself.
Well, I don't know ropes go because you're a responsible person. You know what I mean? I accept that. I accept that big time, you know?
But seriously, like, I'm really grateful for you. When I
Yo,
say grateful,
leave it
I
to Fred now.
mean,
Leave it to Fred now.
I mean, you did it for me from day one. Like, with everything, you just always know when to show up and how to show up. My bills well paid, rent.
That's a cool, man.
You just, I don't know,
A
like,
big man thing, you know. A big man thing. That's how the thing.
man and boy, a boy for true. You know? So, I really appreciate you. And I just want you to know, say, are you alone me having in my life?
I know that.
Like,
Hey, hold, calm down. I know that. A woman like you can't juggle. What kind of juggling you go have now and benefit you? What kind of benefit that is? You like people that jump up, there. No. You can't manage them side of juggling
no,
business.
so I'm not in that, you know. As me
Not
say,
that, man.
me a one burner. Me and you alone me have.
That's cool.
So I don't need to fear worry yourself.
Me? Worry? Me not worry. Me not worry for. Everything up for me. Now so you go.
Oh, brother, really bright thing. Hello. Hello.
So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make sure say the bills them pay even earlier. Cause I might take a little trip, you know. You understand? I'm gonna take a little trip with me and say, maybe I'll take a trip with you too. But I'm gonna work first. And
That sounds good.
Your passport up and running?
Be up to date,
Up to
man.
date. That's good. You see, you're a responsible person. There's no way we can think no other negative vibes and so forth. You know what I mean? But, you know, as I say, everything's secure. Right?
Okay.
You're sure about that, right?
I'm sure positive, like
man.
100% positive.
That's what I'm there for. If you like if you want to vibrate. Your friend call you?
Yeah.
Check her out. You have some business to start out. See? So
Aye.
just make sure you Angela call you.
Yeah,
see?
man. Okay.
Love you, girl. You know
Yeah,
that,
man,
right?
love you too.
Say it again.
Love you too, sweetie.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah, baby.
Alright.
Reach home, call. Check
Yeah,
it.
man.
Alright?
Alright. Yeah, hello?
Hey, Crosses, girl, how you answer about hello? So wait there. How name? How? Yo. What? Oh, you know that me call if you ask you, you know. One question me call if you ask you, you know. How name Fred? What? Fred are your friend? Oh. One little birdie just pitch me and tell me say, you know. A clown you take me for, you know. And what you know? You see money me give for your rent for this month, me I want it back, you know, me I come for it. You know business what you want to say, you know. What you know? No man, me don't want to hear that. I mean, I don't care what you want to do. Right now, I be things me here I go on the road with you, you know. Cause I tell them one birdie pitch me shoulder and make me know. But I know the first time you hear that me hear from different birdies too. But what you know, chew me the fool for you. Me what? Okay. So, baby no. Oh, so you feel like no sir, you're alright man. Watch out man. Matter of fact, me didn't even worry on that the money there. You see that the money there I last sight you get. Make sure say they keep you and spend it wisely cause I go last. Yeah, you done with your friend today. Yeah, man.
Are you afraid of reason? Step aside now. Let's not do the start of baseball. I know this is what gone, man.
Just come when already, you hear? Alright.
Morning.
Morning.
Me never noticed say another year. I know say me go feel knock on your room door and I come here and say, oh, me not see you for a man. How you come from?
Oh, me don't know say you're a landlord. Not because we're roommate. That not you know right. If you ask me where me I come from, me can sleep out if me want to sleep out. Me have my own woman. Remember some pay me rent by myself and you don't help me none of time to pay my rent. You understand? I guess you understand.
Michael, I ask you a simple question. Where you come from? Cause me never expect you to sleep out and then look away there.
Well, there's a first time for everything.
Trust me, I know you first. Where you think me no know? Me know. But anyways,
Oh, you know what I know?
no, but me like, I know you first see you sleep out, America. Me you know that. Anyways, me cook some bully beef and cabbage with flour. You want none?
Oh, yeah, more. No, me don't want to bully beef and cabbage. Me alright. Me eat pan the road.
So wait.
Hey, me tell you something. You see friend like you, me tell you already you know say. Me not gonna tell you my business. Because last time me tell you something, you take it and tell me back. So guess what? Me don't want none of your food. Me alright, sorry.
America,
I'm tired, you know, but
alright. Anyways, I want to talk to you.
that's something good, that's something bad.
In between, about me. You know, say, last night, I go up on the road, right? And I go link Fred. You remember Fred, right? I go link Fred. That a big man when me talk to, man.
Oh,
I'm me and Fred a talk, and you know, they turn up now and we finish the conversation basically, and on my phone that me see ring when me look, a bulby a call. Me say hello, well nice, you know, me only hear, hey crosses girl. Like, it shocked me up to this morning, me I feel wonder, what wrong? For bulby a call me crosses girl. Me not used to bulby a call me them the name they. Bulby is a good youth when me know say not because he dress certain type of way and he smoke and he will go and run bar, but you listen to me, Marka?
yeah, me I hear it. Yeah, that wrong. Me not, no man shouldn't do that.
Marka,
Me I hear you.
me I feel one, me I call on his phone and me not get him. Like, me no know what me do, me no know why problem. Bulby is such a good youth. And the man out of nowhere, the man a call me crosses girl. Like, me can't understand what caused that. Oh God. Marika, what you think? What? Me I talk to you and you, Marika, why you behave like this?
No, yeah, talk on me and listen, me just sit down young. Because I'm kind of feel tired. You understand now? What you say, how?
Summer, can I hear nothing when you say?
You say about the color crosses and you wonder what happened. You understand? Yeah, that's what I say. But that wrong city, you shouldn't do that. But we can't tell. We can't tell you what about we can't get some. Later. Tell me, only you come back.
Tired. So this not right, this not sound right. Mama tired, so what kind of work she got do last night? So.
Oh, go on, bad guy.
You want there, sir?
Yeah, man.
Give me there.
Should I yard, man? You good?
You give money for go up on the school?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I try look for you now.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, me I try look for you now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want a piece of food, do but
Mm.
if you buy something, but watch out, man, when you go up on the school and something, you know, so
Yeah.
when you do it right, you know, my G, you see me?
Mm.
And me tell you, right now, so mommy not too heavy certain way and think that when you go up on the school and something, because you see how me turn out.
Mm.
You see me? Turn out good and make mommy proud and something, because you see it. Me never left school and make me proud certain way and something why you do it, you see me? Because
You're not worried about that, man. You know, me there to make a change now. Although Mr. say everything never really go the way you want. Cause see how you never hear if you can come see. Me there, I go to college and I do it right, you know? I'm not gonna waste my time.
Actually,
Bro.
you know, I'm proud of you. Just continue the way you do and make sure you stay in school and follow my footsteps them. But watch out, man, I best see you. My life done spoil, you know. I've been through all heap, you know, gun, the whole of this, something I've been through, you know. You see through more, you have to do it right. I know you dip on a cheater, boy, you hustle money, boy, you want to go to school. If mommy not have you, go and check me. You see me? I could have my last me, I make you get because I want the best for you, I'm proud of you too. Remember saying, you know, me don't get what I want in my life, you know. And you're there yourself, you can do it, you know. You make sure say, you know make form a fool of yourself in high school and make you take you to do that from the school, because right now that I'm going.
Are you talking?
Anyways, see all the money on me I talk about, you know, because one, see all the money that my last food money I have because I don't want what happened to me up here, so just take you and go on to school, you. Yeah, man.
I respect you, man.
Alright, my general. Go and do it. And don't make nobody tunnel, don't make no little girl in tunnel and no idiot. Because we never grow up. Because nowadays in tempo, no young youth or something. I think I don't know, I used to go to school too, you know. Nobody tell me like I never used to go about no, sir. Go on, man.
Bro.
Go on, no, see it then.
To tell you the truth, you know, I'm kind of tired, you know, like, alright, I never want to go back on the road for today, because you see when I go out in the night and come back in the next morning, I just rest the next day and take that the day there. Huh? You give me double? Yeah, talk business. No, you mean business. Yeah, me I go left out now. Oh, I remember for beard. Cause me no depend where you depend. And that me I tell you. Alright, I dey come.
Hey, 'cause, 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 'cause,
Hello, Fred. What? Yeah. No, I don't know where that there. Me find out where, man. I must say we never meet there so before, you know. Okay. Alright, me find out where, don't worry. Right on the seaside. Okay. Alright. Alright. I'll be there shortly. Yeah, man, just give me like about 15 to 20 minutes here. Alright. Who that? I wonder if I will be. Man, you're not easy, you know, man.
Hi, auntie.
Now call me not blasted auntie. How much time you tell you that?
What do you mean I forgot auntie?
Me look like all man to you?
Alright. Me sorry. Wow, long time I not see you now.
You know say Tia my name, right? Tia, not auntie. Auntie not the on my birth paper.
At least me I show you respect. Come on.
You show me respect. You know what respect you can show me is have like a decency if you call me and tell me say you come here. What you want?
Me don't want nothing.
You
What?
know
What, me can't come look for me one auntie?
I don't have the time today for this. Like literally. Alright, what brought you here?
As me say, me can't come look for me one auntie. A crime?
Mama, anytime me see you come here, that's something you want.
You know that I lie. Me never yet want nothing from you. Me just love your company and you see me bag me come to stay with you.
Trouble come to paradise.
But me can't stay with you.
You know say me alone live, right?
So
I'm sure you, and it's 2 bedrooms, so where you
well,
going
me
to
a family. Run out whoever you have in here.
I know so things work. That's not how it works. I have a room, a housemate. How am I run a road to occupy you?
Me a family. So
I'm not free, she live here final. I rent we pay. Rent.
well, me not have to pay no rent because me a family. And as me say, me come to spend some time with you, whether you like it or not.
Me really not understand you. You just pop up a people place. Whether your auntie, your mother, you're not supposed to pop up at nobody place like that.
You remember when mother used to take care of you? And you pop up out of nowhere. You say you want to come stay with her and she didn't say nothing because you're family. So why you behave with me so?
So you're returning the same thing what me do, you feel like it's okay for you to do it, right? By the way, where you come from?
Me come from the yard.
You come from down a yard. From the look of things, I know down a yard you come from.
What you mean in the yard me I come from? Where look like me I come from?
It's alright. Come here, come on, talk to you. Kiki, you know why I call you to talk to you?
About what?
Okay. Alright, you know you're my favorite niece, right?
Duh.
Yes, you're my favorite niece. But sometimes you slack up. You understand? When me see you slack up, me really afraid. You understand? Get you under control. What the reason you go to college?
What you mean what me go to college for? I go to college for take my education and support, so
And that's all.
that's
Okay.
all.
That's all. More ask you next question. The name Kimani ring a bell?
Yes, and what does he has to do with this?
Because me hear from good source say yeah fool round Kimani. And me sure I not take man college yago. You understand?
So, what that supposed to mean? So, you think me go to college for take man, and what you mean me a fool on Kamani? Kamani is just a friend. So, me not understand. That is source where I hear from. That's literally a lie. Because me don't know where I get the kind of news from. Kamani is just a friend.
Kiki, a while ago me asked you about Kimani. You know what say your face light up. And you tell me say he's just a friend. You know what friend do? Friend and friend. What you think they do?
Well, him not stay like that.
All boys stay like that.
Well, not my
All
friend
of
though.
them.
Yeah, worry about my friend. If you worry about fear friend where you have hitch up in our house, where you claim to see a call your roommate. Yeah. You don't know how she live her life, much less you catch up in her house with her. And let me tell you what me see and hear from my own self. And a good source me hear from too, you know.
Talk to me.
I gladly will. Listen, you see the roommates we are having at this house, where you mix and mingle with, me hear say, and me see say, she there run a back road, a sell. That's the work she does. Yeah? She a sell front.
Kiki, that's impossible. Where you get a nonsense from?
Me nonsense. Come here, tell you something. I tell me say nonsense. Me I tell you.
Kiki, may I ask you again? Where you get a nonsense from?
Good source.
I never say a little bit love people business.
No,
And
no,
then you
no.
always carry the wrong news. Because Marika, my good friend, my innocent Marika, you tell me, say, you hear from good source and you see where she sell her body, you're crazy.
Innocent, auntie, me mean Tia. Looks are very deceiving, and as far as I can see, you don't know what type of person you are live with.
Kiki, you know, say come like you drink mad puss piss or something. Or is either you depend some drugs, illegal mali them when only young people are taking nowadays because you can't be real. Anyways, me not have time for the foolishness here. Me I go up on the road, me I go check. Me I go up on the road, me soon come. So here what, me can't leave you here. So when me come back, me call you and you come check me. Come on.
So when me I go? When me can't stay here?
Listen, you cannot stay here.
Come on now, auntie. Me nah do nothing. Me tired.
Me can't
Me
have you.
tired. Me can't go nowhere else. Food in the kitchen, me even hungry. So just go on where you go. When you come back, we talk about this.
Alright, here what? You know, say at first, me never have a problem for you stay here, but me just, you fabricate so many lies about America. But make it rest between me and you. When me come back, me and you discuss this. Make yourself at home. I don't know what out there, maybe ramen or so, you can make one.
Alright, thank you so much.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me.
Eh?
Friend, you know.
Yeah, friends are easy, man. You good?
Me wonder where you're there now. Me
Yeah.
I feel say I stood, me get stood up.
Bye, Fred. Fred no station, man. You see, how me rolling now? I have to make sure you're contented and satisfied. Those are treasures that money can't buy. You understand? Yeah, some things say. So how are you? How are you? What's going on with you?
Me alright, you know. Like,
Yes.
now that me see you,
Hmm.
when me tell you something good. Me just want to express gratitude. You know? Me don't know, every time I see you coming like, me have to just tell you how me feel.
Tell me, man, what I think. That is Fred.
You know, so when you tell me to meet you down here, and me really, because at first me I come here, so, and me really come here, I'm like, you know, so this romantic, right on the beach front, me just sorry so we don't have, you know, maybe ice cream or
No, we
something
can't
like
get that. We are talking about me sorry. You're sorry. Just say the word and we get it for you. You understand what I'm
Well,
saying?
me not
That's
really
how we
put you
want?
out of your way still. You understand?
No problem.
But the little beachfront thing really romantic, and as me always say, man a man and boy a boy.
Exactly.
Because enough time me even come in your house and we not have sex. We just, you know, the little intimacy, little lie down, watch Netflix, you know,
That
cook
is it,
and
man.
chill.
Mm.
Man, I tell you, it's breathtaking.
That is it, man. You see, sometimes when a woman gets treated the way how them supposed to be treated, them understand how special they are as a person. You understand? Because my mom used to tell us that you're very sweet, you're very special. But growing up now, some people feel like they have a bad mind based on how you know, your natural beauty stay and you know, all of the right things and you do your hair, you know, fit you more than we fit people and you know, but as long as the self-esteem is still up, and that's what I'm here for, you know. I believe me, like I love company. You know what I mean? When you're company, you know, just that I'm just, you know, like me not say it, but me I say it because you know, I understand how me feel. Me just want you to know, say, I just me and you straight through. You understand? When I say me straight through, there's no itches, no glitches, no, you know, I wonder what me I do. You know, all these things. You know, I work hard. I'm saying I got fired and me I think for career and support, but you know you're busy certain way. You know, intervene in certain things. You understand?
I understand, but I always still say, me find time for you.
That is it. That is it. But it's just that I want to stop the friend thing away and live with a friend. That, you know, that no adult like, you know, that childish. I don't know she, I don't know what she about, and you might see her and you know, say, you know, she's that kind of person, and I'm going to find out, and you tell life has lessons, I'm learning already, you know, I'm going to learn them again. That's me I say, that's my problem, but
Well, Fred, me I live with Marika, like, maybe about 3 to 4 years now.
yeah.
And I don't see no red flag when it comes to living with her.
But you
You
know,
understand?
babe, that's a red flag, you know. You don't see it yet. That is always a red flag. And when you see it, you wish you never. When you see it and you know, you just change your perspective on life. And you feel like the boy make a mistake and you say, boy, if you were knowing him something there. Don't wait. Don't wait, you can't wait. Because I'm not lie out. See me, long time about Fred about long time. Trust Fred. Fred know him I said. You understand? And I think Fred feel always real. I don't trust her. I don't see if she have something to hide where you might find out too late. That's all I say to you.
May I hear what you say? I'm not going to take it into consideration.
Find someone, man. I'm not take it into consideration. Find someone and pay for it. Get out of the area. You understand me I say?
Okay.
Alright?
So, what you say we up to now?
Full time. You ready?
I'm ready, man.
Kimani. Yes, me have something to talk to you about. You know what me here say? Me and you in a something. I don't know how they find out, but they can't tell me say, look at them, me and you are grind. People are find out this already. Me not understand how this a come about. Me no know, me be a go talk. You chat say me and you in a things or something. Look here, me can't risk my life for this year. Me know how my reputation bad, so look here, me and you have to go stop deal. I swear, because people are come talk about me and you in a things. And me can't afford that. So here what me and you done. Sorry. What the fuck? Me hungry. Me go look for you, man. Good evening.
What you do here?
What you mean me I do here? My auntie live here, so I can come here anytime I want.
How your auntie want to be here?
Oh well, that's not my problem.
That's not your problem. Yeah, the drinks that we are drink enough for your auntie. So if I'm like you take time throw it back in your jug, put it in the bag on the side where you see it, because that side of the fridge am mine.
Well,
as you can see, the fridge have two doors, right? One side are for me, one side are for your auntie. Obviously, your auntie never tell you, but me I not tell you. You see, this house split in a two. For all the 2 person, it can contain 3 person. You understand? And for we having a child here, type of lifestyle until it, I not think you're supposed to get here. And by the way, you don't have school. Where you are here?
don't ask me about my lifestyle. You have know your lifestyle where you live. And again, I cannot throw out the drinks in the jug because my saliva already in there. So sorry, me I go drink it whether you like it or not.
Oh wow. Beautiful. I like you. But that's the next time I travel with juice, not dash me.
Oh, that's not what I remember because juice too cheap right now for me drink yours. Sorry.
But you drink my juice. I don't understand that this is a young girl here, you know. You come in here and drink people juice where your auntie not provide. And then you give a chat. No man. No. Who that? Who is that?
Yo, your roommate not there near. Your roommate not there here.
No, she not there here.
Here, how she not there?
Wait a minute, listen to me.
Yo, the tea there.
Tia not there here.
Yo, watch out now. Yo, in lucky saying that
Come
they
in
are
and lock
there,
it
you
door,
know.
because I can't take
Because
your
first thing in
basket.
the tea there, you know, man, a pay problem when I go on, you know.
What do you mean pay
So
a
tia say
problem?
make sure say be care about money come give
No,
me, you
no
know.
put it on
And that me I tell you no, me not tell you that. Tell a friend. Me I tell you to tell a friend, yeah. Can money come give me, because China man, me not depend on up and down and run up and down business with him. And China matter of fact, them for link me later. You see me? Today. Them for link me today.
Message received.
Yeah, but message received. It all know the same thing.
What do you mean it all the same thing?
All around matter of fact, but two. All around there they are the same thing.
You are very confused about it. You are next one to you. Let me tell you something. Obviously, you don't grow with your grandmother, you grow with your mother. But you see me grow with my grandmother. My grandmother always tell me, say, you see, manners bring you through the world. My grandmother say again, dance yard before you dance abroad. Obviously, you don't respect our manners to your mother. But you see, when you're here, so, even though me and Tia share place here, so, Tia my friend, and I respect her, because here's where they are live. But you see, you look cool pitney with your neck back rub. You not go come in here and disrespect me and feel like they can talk to me anyhow. You got manners to me. You understand that? You're a child, you're not a big woman.
Okay, so if you say make me talk now.
Okay, since
First of all, I could care less the relationship you have with my auntie. That's not my problem. Me now, me is family, so me welcome here anytime. You understand that? And second of all, I am not a child. Like literally I'm going to a college, so me not child to the extent. And second of all, you don't know nothing about me and my mother, so you can't come tell me but I do not have no manners to my mom. You don't know the relationship between me and my mom. And before you say me not no manners, please. You don't know nothing about me because I have plenty. You figure look some with fear lifestyle where you are living.
Wow. You know what? For a peaceful life and a peaceful day, I'm gonna leave this right here, so. But you see, when your auntie come, we are gonna pick up a bag. Because guess what? Me no want to do something for me if I go down a jail, go lie down.
Oh, please.
Have a wonderful evening.
Oh, please. What could you possibly do me? Nothing.
You don't know me.
And me sure no see you now smell me neck back.